Afternoon. Hope everybody's having a wonderful Wednesday. It's only 101, which is fantastically better than it was this time last week when I think it was 111. Anyhow, when something comes up in the practice, I like to talk to y'all about it. And I wanted to dispel a rumor that seems to be, it's like an urban legend or, the white buffalo from days of old, that there's this notion that Texas is a state that accepts or promotes 50-50 custody. Newsflash, Texas does not have 50-50 custody. Texas has the standard possession order and the expanded standard possession order, and that is all Texas has. Texas judges are extremely conservative, and I don't know if this prevalence of this urban legend is in part of internet chat rooms, Texas Fathers for Equal Rights, non-custodial parents, or what have you, but I want to dispel the rumor that Texas judges, our judges in Texas are conservative. And if you have not realized that you live in a conservative state, newsflash, this is a very conservative state. Our judges are extremely protective of state law, and state law right now says standard possession order. This is not a progressive state like Iowa or other states in the Midwest where they do have in their family code the 50-50 possession order. That doesn't exist in Texas. And in any number of cases, and again, not every case, and some cases are right for a 50-50 order, but a 50-50 order isn't going to be granted unless it's with the absolute proven agreement of both parties, and it's got to be shown that it's in the best interest of the child. So any notion that you're going to get a modification, non-custodial parent of any gender, that you're going to get a modification and get 50-50 custody, I want to help dispel that rumor, because that is unlikely to happen in any scenario under state law. Texas is a law that believes children need a primary residence, and that is how we structure our family code, our standard possession order, and our expanded standard possession order. Children have a home base, they have a primary residence, and that primary custodial parent is going to be owed child support, which is a percentage of net resources. I wish it was different. Sometimes it's better that it would be different, but that is unlikely to change, and that's not the best way to spend your resources in a vain attempt to get a 50-50 order. Anyway, I hope this is of some help. Y'all have a wonderful afternoon.